Welcome one, welcome all to the Mia Circus. Today, my dear crowd, get ready for something so crazy, so incredibly cool, you will be clawing to get a closer look. And you will be clapping all the way home because the letter C is here to show you what he can do. And he can do a lot, folks. He can fly from a cannon. He can be a clown. He tames cobras with ease. He eats all his celery at dinner time. And rides a unicycle with no feet. Come one, come all, and see the amazing letter C at the circus. Wow! Letter C put on a crazy, incredibly cool show at the circus. You might remember that the letter C is pretty special because it can make two different sounds. Do you remember what those sounds are? One sound that the letter C makes is k. Can you make this sound with me? K, k, k. We call this a hard sound. It helps me to think of that hard k, k, cannon when I want to remember that k is the hard sound. What's the other sound that the letter C makes? S. Can you make that sound with me? S, s, s. If we called the first sound a hard sound, what do you think we call this sound? Did you say soft? That's right. We call S the soft sound that the letter C makes. It helps me to think of the soft leaves on the celery when I want to remember that S is the soft sound. Look at the word circus. I see the letter C 2 times, but I hear 2 different sounds. I hear letter C making the soft S sound at the beginning of the word circus, and I also hear the letter C making the hard K sound in the middle of the word circus. Hey, look at the word unicycle. How many times do you see the letter C in that word? I see it 2 times. What sounds do you hear them making? Unicycle. I hear it making the soft S sound once and the hard K sound once. Unicycle. So when we are reading, how are we supposed to know whether the letter C is making its hard K sound or when it's making its soft S sound? Maybe we can figure that out. First, let's think of some words with those sounds. Let's start with K. K, K. Cannon. Rescue. Actor. Cart. Crab. Popcorn. Cube. What about words with the S sound? A lot of those words use a different letter, the letter S. Let me show you some words with the S sound that use the letter C. Celery, spicy, city, mice, fancy, pencil, science. Ooh, in that word, we have the letter C making the S sound 2 times. Look at the words with the hard C, K sound. Do you see the letters that come right after the letter C? What are they? Either A, O, U, or some consonants. Look at the words with the soft C, S sound. Do you see the letters that come right after the letter C? What are they? Either E, I, or Y. That's the rule that tells us what sound the letter C will make. If we have the letter C followed by E, I, or Y, it will make the soft S sound, like in the words celery, city, or fancy. If we have the letter C followed by A, O, U, or a consonant, it will make the hard K sound, like in the words cannon, popcorn, cub, or scrap. Let's look at some words and try reading them. Okay, what letters come after C? O? So what sound will the letter C make? A hard sound. K. Coat. What letter comes after C? E. So what sound will the letter C make? A soft sound. S. Price. What letter comes after C? L. That's a consonant. So what sound will the letter C make? A hard sound. K. Clip. Look at the letter that comes right after the letter C to help you. Rescue. What letter comes after the letter C? Will C make a hard or soft sound? Scent. Will C make a hard or soft sound here? Nice. Crow. Raccoon. Cymbal. Careful. Speaking of careful, letter C better be careful for his last trick at this circus. He's about to dance on the tightrope. Okay, he's up there. But what if he falls? We need to get him a soft place to land. Ooh, which letters help letter C make the soft S sound? E, I, and Y. E helped make the soft S sound by coming right after C in the word scent. I helped make the soft S sound by coming right after C in the word city. And Y helped make the soft S sound by coming right after C in the word cymbal. So come one, come all, clap and bang those cymbals together for E, I, and Y. All right, they're here just in case. Come on, letter C, dance across that rope. Nice and easy. Yes! Letter C, folks. He can unicycle. He can dance. He can make hard sounds. He can make soft sounds. He really can do it all. And best of all, he always stays clever. Hey, hey.